Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. Good to have you here.
So, small story from yesterday. I went to a birthday party and I met a lot of new people.
Oh, that sounds fun. What did you say to them?
Well, every single time I said the same 3 words. Nice to meet you.
Just 3 words for every new person?
Every single one. And today, that's exactly our topic. Nice to meet you, when we say it, and how we answer it.
I use that phrase a lot, but I never really thought about the rule behind it.
There isn't really a rule, Tom. There's just one simple moment. The very first time you meet someone.
So it's only for the first meeting, not every time we see a friend?
Exactly. If you see a friend again tomorrow, you don't say, nice to meet you again.
What do you say then?
Then you say, nice to see you. Small difference, but an important one.
Nice to meet you for the first time, nice to see you after that.
You've got it already. Let's slow down and build the full pattern from the beginning.
Okay, I'm ready.
First, someone says their name. Hello, my name is Lucy.
Hello, my name is Tom.
Then, right after the name, we add, nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. And the other person answers with the same phrase plus one small word.
What word?
To. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. So, to shows that I feel the same way.
Exactly. It's a small word, but it makes the sentence feel warm and equal.
Let's try the full exchange together.
Hello, my name is Lucy. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Lucy. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you too.
See? 4 short lines and a whole friendly introduction is finished.
That really was easy. Can we practice it with different names now?
Sure. I'll be a new person each time, and you introduce yourself.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sarah. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you too.
Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you.
Hi, David. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you too.
You're saying it so naturally now, like you've done this 100 times.
It's starting to feel automatic, actually.
That's exactly the goal. Now let's add one more small detail. Sometimes, instead of nice to meet you, people say pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. Is that different?
Not really. It means the same thing. It's just a little more formal.
So, nice to meet you is more casual, and pleased to meet you is more polite.
Exactly right. You'll hear pleased to meet you more in business or with older people or in formal situations.
And nice to meet you is fine for almost everywhere else.
Yes, for friends, classmates, neighbors, it's perfectly natural and friendly.
Can we try one with pleased to meet you, just so I hear the difference?
Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Wilson. Pleased to meet you.
Good afternoon. My name is Tom. Pleased to meet you too.
Notice how the whole feeling of the conversation changes just with a few small words.
It really does sound more serious, more formal.
Exactly. Same idea, different tone, depending on the words you choose.
What if I want to introduce 2 people to each other, not just myself?
Great question. We say, this is, and then the person's name.
This is my friend Anna.
Perfect. And the new person usually says, nice to meet you, directly to Anna.
This is my friend Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna.
And Anna answers with, nice to meet you too, Tom.
That's such a useful pattern for parties, for classes, for meeting friends of friends.
Exactly. It works in almost every social situation.
I feel like I could use everything we've learned today starting right now.
You can. Try it this week with someone new, even a small, nice to meet you moment.
I will. Let's do our summary now. Nice and slow, one more time.
We say nice to meet you only the first time we meet someone.
We say nice to see you instead.
The full pattern is name, then nice to meet you.
And the reply is the same phrase plus the word to. Nice to meet you too.
For more formal situations, we can say pleased to meet you.
And to introduce two other people, we say this is and then their name.
Small phrases, but they open real doors and start real friendships.
Just like Lucy's story from the birthday party. One small sentence, and suddenly you're not strangers anymore.
Now it's your turn, everyone. Listening, say nice to meet you out loud right now and imagine meeting someone new.
And tell us in the comments who was the last new person you met.
If this felt useful, subscribe to English Podcast so you don't miss the next episode.
And share it with a friend who's just starting to learn English too.
Thanks for spending this little bit of time with us.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.